So I've been seeing this news lately about NVIDIA launching an open source AI model for quantum computing. So this seems quite interesting. So I just wanted to check it out as to what it is. So before that, let's just see the practical uses of quantum computing. Okay, so it is there in everything: drug and discovery, healthcare, cryptography, cybersecurity, optimization, logistics, supply chain, airline scheduling, financial modeling, artificial intelligence, machine learning. So it helps in faster training of AI models, improved pattern recognition, material science, climate energy, search and big data, reality check. Okay, so it seems like it's almost in everything. And going back to the article, so this is an open source family of AI models and it does two things. First is Ising calibration, and this is used for automating the rapid tuning of quantum processors, and Ising decoding, which accelerates the real-time decoding required for quantum error correction. So they also have a video, maybe this can explain better as to what this is.
Supercomputing has transformed how we understand our world and build new technologies. Accelerated quantum supercomputers promise to take these capabilities to a whole new level. By using qubits to change how we compute, they'll also expand what we can compute. This will drive breakthroughs across use cases, from drug discovery to materials science, to optimization challenges. But turning this vision of useful, accelerated quantum supercomputers into reality isn't easy. It relies on state-of-the-art qubit hardware that's tightly integrated with accelerated computing for error correction and control and calibration. This requires AI tools purpose-built for the challenge. Introducing NVIDIA Ising, an open family of AI models created for the workloads that define the path to useful quantum computing. Ising calibration is a pre-trained vision language model that rapidly automates the tasks needed to keep quantum processors running.
Okay, so one of them is a vision model. I thought it would be a mathematical model.
Ingesting measurement results, it identifies necessary corrections, dramatically accelerating what once was a tedious manual process. The Ising decoding model performs the classical computations needed to determine where errors in a quantum processor occur, so they can be corrected. Ising decoding outperforms conventional approaches to the decoding of surface codes, bringing practical quantum error correction within reach. The models ship with a collection of ready-to-run workflow recipes, so quantum researchers can immediately put these AI tools to work. And with NVIDIA NIM microservices, setup is instant, containerized, optimized, and ready to deploy. Tomorrow's useful quantum computers will be built on and with AI. NVIDIA Ising is the missing toolset that opens that future to everyone.
Okay, so the Ising calibration model is a 35 billion parameter vision model, and the Ising decoding is a CNN model. So CNN stands for convolutional neural network, and it's mostly used with images. So some advantages NVIDIA has stated for these models, both of them are outperforming the current, whatever the solutions exist right now for quantum computing. So these models are also open, so they allow developers to download them and train and fine tune on their own hardware that they are running. So these models come pre-trained, so they have already been trained on some data of quantum computing, so like you don't have to train models from scratch. So out of the box you can just start running experiments and then fine tune them to adapt to your own experiment. So here they have written a note on what quantum error correction is. So for quantum processors to run, qubit errors must be continually corrected by correction codes. This requires terabytes of qubit measurement data to be processed thousands of times per second. by demanding classical decoding algorithms. So NVIDIA Ising model makes this possible by providing ready-to-use AI solutions. And this is a note on the control and calibration. So keeping quantum processors operational requires continual tuning to account for hardware imperfections or misalignments. Current approaches to this calibration are neither scalable or fast enough, relying on human intervention or simple algorithms. NVIDIA Ising calibration provides an open model capable of rapidly interpreting status of quantum hardware and connects to an agent to automate its correction. Okay, so this is the end of the blog. So in summary, they have released two models, one for error correction and one for hardware calibration. I think we'll see more of quantum computing now. I saw some news from Google a while back that they have also been doing this, working on quantum computing, and I've been seeing news of it for like last 5 years. So I'm so sure some experiments are being done by big companies.